What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit since I filmed a video, but welcome back to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And as you see behind me, our new casa. We just closed on our house 2 days before Christmas. So I know a lot of you guys that follow my channel also follow Kristen's channel. So we've been posting a lot of videos on her channel, and I know I've been neglecting my YouTube channel. But we were having a lot of fun filming stuff for her channel. So for those that haven't seen it, this is the new house. So we finally moved in. We got a lot of work done, and again, we filmed a lot of the stuff. We got the landscape and the palm trees. I was like, when you live down here and you can have palm trees, you have to have palm trees. So we just got home from the gym, and one of my purchases finally came in, and there it is. Not the truck. The truck, that's got to go. That's coming up in a different video. That truck has got to go. But this right here, this box, was a man purchase. Some people are going to get offended by that and triggered, and I don't care. It's a... I'll just show you. We're going to rip it open. But this was one of my things. I wanted it, and it was on back order. It was out of stock. Finally came in stock. It finally got delivered. So we got home from the gym, and the delivery man left it right here in the driveway. So let's get Kristen out here to unbox this massive thing, and I will show you what it is. I'm sure by the thumbnail and the title of this video, you're probably already going to know what it is. It's my grill. So let's get to it.
Prepare to die. Prepare to die.
What you got going on, handsome?
What do you think?
That's,
Is this like a man grill or what?
it's definitely a man grill. You're gonna grill for me?
This wind is probably going to kill the audio.
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do, it was really windy outside, so I'm just going to do a voiceover, and that'll make everything a lot easier. So this is the new grill. This grill from Charbroil, I bought it from Lowe's. It comes in 3 sections. This first section is the side burner. It has a door on the bottom for the propane. Has 2 burners on the top. You can do the smaller burner or the larger burner. All of these actually bolt together, and you can put them in order however you want and like kind of configure your own outdoor kitchen. This is the 5 burner grill. This middle section is 52 inches wide, and I believe the other sections are 25 inches wide. It's got drawers on the side. You can keep all your stuff in there. It does have lighting. I'll show you a picture of that at night, how it lights up. There are 2 lights up there, so you can light up your food while you're cooking at night. And then this last section is the fridge. This has LED lights in it as well, and it has a piece of granite on the top. So everything's stainless steel, and the black, except for that fridge, has the granite on the top of it. But overall, I'm really excited to use it. It's the infrared grill. We've had a grill similar like this from Charbroil in the past, and it did an amazing job. It held up pretty long, so I've been happy with Charbroil in the past. These covers we also bought 2. They don't have one for the fridge, which is disappointing, but they do strap down and Velcro over the handles to hold it in place. And the sides are all weighted. There's like weights built into it, so it kind of keeps it flat. So we'll see how that holds up and how that lasts. And let me show you what it looks like at night. This is the dials, as you can see, are all on a switch. So you can turn the dials on, and then you can turn the 2 lights on in the actual grill section. So that way it kind of gives you an idea how all that looks. It looks nice. I like the ambiance of the grill when you come outside. But you can see you can have turn those lights off and the grill lights off as well. And that side burner is obviously controlled separately from the grill itself. And all the wires run in between, underneath all of the grill components. So you can run your electric and everything like that through it. But I hope you guys like the new grill. I can't wait to start using it. We're going to do a couple cooking videos out there pretty soon. So hopefully you'll see this more on the channel. But again, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. And also go follow Kristen's channel as well. We're putting out a lot of videos on her channel too. I'll put the link for her channel in the description below. So we'd appreciate if you guys want to follow both of us. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out, everybody.